Irena Yashin-Shaw here, speaker, author, leadership mentor. I specialise in working with smart, future-focused leaders and emerging leaders who want to play a role in creating the future of their organisation. Now, these are the leaders who are opportunity finders, not problem avoiders. And they are the people who want to ignite innovation and catalyse change. And these are the people who we have a special name for now. They are called Intrapreneurs. So Intrapreneurs have a very special blend of business acumen and personal leadership and creative problem-solving skills that enable them to find and explore and implement worthy ideas. That makes them the most valuable of all employees because they are the source of energy and creativity that will enable their organizations to soar. And that is what we're talking about in this one-day workshop called Creating Intrapreneurs. Come along to learn how to unleash your inner entrepreneur and help your organization to be future-focused and future-ready. I hope you can join us, and I look forward to working with you very soon.